Once there was a couple. The husband used to watch other women. The wife didn't like this and she was jealous. Her husband used to make ill remarks about her. He used to call her fat and didn't like the way she was. After the delivery of the baby, the wife gained some weight. Due to the baby, the wife wasn't able to go to the gym or do any sport. But she really wanted to get in shape for her husband. One night, the husband asked her, "What's for dinner?" She replied, "I made a salad." The husband got angry and said, "But what about the real food?" The husband went to the room without eating. Then one day, the wife wanted to go for a run. So she asked her husband to take care of the baby. The husband replied, "Are you blind or what? Can't you see I'm watching football?" The wife went back to the room and started crying. After a few months, she asked her husband to give her some money for the gym membership. The husband got pissed and said, "Have you earned any money? Stop asking money for stupid things. Just don't eat and do the household work. It will be equal to the gym." One day, the husband was watching football with his friends. The wife came and asked, "Honey, do you need anything?" The husband replied, "Friends, here is my lovely wife. She promised to lose weight, but she only gained. She always keeps eating." The wife felt humiliated and started crying. She went back to the room. She felt she was a servant of the house as her husband never respected her. Her husband was not missing any single chance to humiliate her. One day, she was doing her dishes. Her husband came to the kitchen and said, "You are always whining. How can you be so pathetic?" The wife was tired to hear such humiliation. The next day, she packed her bags and went to her parents' house with her baby. Her husband was still humiliating her when she was leaving. "Go away, you pathetic thing. You'll regret it. Nobody wants you." The couple got divorced. 3 years passed by. Everything was changed. The husband got married and divorced in the same span. He realized how his ex-wife took care of him with true love. He went to her house and knocked. He was shocked to see his ex-wife open the door. She was in amazing shape. She had shredded many pounds. She looked more beautiful than ever. "You look great. You've lost weight." The wife replied, "Yes, everything is changed. True love inspired me to take care of myself." The husband thought that his ex-wife was talking about him and that she still loved him. The husband replied with joy, "I knew you still love me. Come back with me, please." His ex-wife replied, "Just get lost and never come back to my door. You don't deserve me." The wife was married to another man. That man was really supportive and loved her unconditionally. He loved her for who she truly was. His true love had made her take care of herself. This is the reality of life. The person who loves you truly will never say or do anything to make you feel humiliated. The ones who love you the most don't pick on your weakness. They become your strength instead. They love your flaws as much as your beauty. Respect yourself and find the one who understands you.